All right, our practice, we're going to find the distance again. So, first off, what we have is -6 and +4. So we have -6, comma 4. And then we have +4, +4. All right, let's take a look. Oh, these 4's match up. So the 4's are going to go right off into the sunset. We don't need to worry about them. What we are going to take a look at is this -6 and +4. -6 is a negative. 4 is a positive. And also, a way to know that whether it's positive or negative, a positive, you don't have to have the plus in front of it. You can, but you don't have to. Negative will always have a negative in front of it if it's negative. All right, so positive and a negative, they're different signs. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to add our absolute values. So the absolute value of -6 plus the absolute value of 4. So that just means 6 plus 4. And we get 10. So hopefully you got 10 as well. So there'll be 10 units. 10 units. Alrighty. In a coordinate plane, what's the distance between these two? Oop, there we go. We have 13, 7, 3, 7. Look at that. 7's are going to go pair up and go off into the sunset. We don't need to worry about them. They found their match. We are going to take a look at and worry about 13 and 3. 13 is a positive number. 3 is a positive number. Oh my goodness, they're the same sign. If they're the same sign, guess what we're going to do? Subtract. So if they're the same sign, we're going to subtract. So we're going to take the absolute value of 13 minus the absolute value of 3. So 13 minus 3 is just going to be 10. So our answer down here, oh my gosh, how crazy. It's going to be 10 units just like the first one. 10 units. And that is it for our practice. Great, great job.